that team blind should have been in GE? No, absolutely not. हम देख रहे हैं teams that are winning international championships are also finding it hard to sustain. Teams that are winning in India also are finding it hard to sustain. So teams that are not winning are definitely not going to sustain. क्योंकि अगर जीत के कोई sustain नहीं कर पा रहा है तो बाकी सबका क्या ही हाल होगा. Paying more than you can earn makes no business sense. Some people might be okay to do it because they have the money. Is GDR profitable? Right now there is not one org in India that is profitable on esports. वो कुछ भी बोलते अगर ऐसा बोल रहे तो झूठ बोल रहे. Either to you or to themselves. वो you have to figure out. But there is no org in India that is profitable on esports. They might be making money somewhere else, I don't care. Soul is also profitable on their content, on their talent agency, on everything else they do, and the creators are profitable. Soul, the esports org, is still burning money. They are also not profitable. Yeah, even Animation said this himself lots of times. I think Godel is absolutely profitable unless how their players getting paid high salary. Only Godlike can answer that, bro. IQ X Soul is profitable, I guess. Keep guessing, that's all you can do. Because I know how much they're making and it's a lot of money, mind you. Like the best, probably the best deal in esports in India. Hats off to the Soul guys. Absolute respect for being able to pull it off. It's no one else in esports could have, very genuinely. Because they are the only ones that are giving views. Not just from the team, but from all their creators as well. They are providing value. What do you think max salary of a team should be? Only as much as you can earn to pay them back. It doesn't matter how good the team is. If you can't earn that, don't pay that. It's that simple.
तो आदि भाई अपने रुके हुए थे, बट इस बार डोंट नो क्या हुआ है कि शायद बीच में आपको पता है इनसेन का भी कुछ मैटर भी हुआ था, उनके ओनर का कुछ मैटर हुआ था, तो शायद अब उनको थोड़ी सी इनसिक्योरिटी फील हो रही होगी, माइट भी हो सकता है आदि भाई को. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि यार अब एक गुड नोट पे इनसेन से हट सकते हैं और नई टीम को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. और नई टीम कहाँ जाएगी वो देखना बाकी है बस अभी के लिए.
स्किप्स को ले लो, स्किप्स इनसेन के लाइनअप में है
समाप्त भी हो जाएंगे. मैं नहीं चाहता जितनी भी अंडरडॉग टीम्स यहाँ पे शायद पे मिल जाएगी वहाँ पे जाके जो है
ऑलवेज का न्यू एक्टर का लाइनअप बना रही है
और अपना जो एक स्लॉट